Good morning all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, March 30th, looking at Window Trader's market profile, SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And I guess the question for today is today pretty much maybe a possible consolidation day? It would be healthy for the market, right? We've had some good run over these past 4 days, hit some very, very important levels to the upside, basically in all three of these indices. I think it would be healthy. With 2 days to go in the quarter, see if they consolidate today, maybe get a push up tomorrow again to finish the quarter really strong. Although, unless we have a disaster these next 2 days, it's a very, very positive finish to the first quarter of the year after the way it started. And then we have non-farm payroll Friday morning. Remember we said yesterday we had an 8-wide POC that could not be raised, even if we went up $100. Well, look what the pre-market low is. 459.45, 3 cents above that POC. You talk about mechanical trading, right? So again, I said I wouldn't be surprised if we visit that area. Now, it doesn't count in pre-market, but we'll see if we get it. That's number one. Number two, we all went out with price probes. Right now it's 75 minutes to go. They're being rejected as we're trading below them. Russell, though, however, did have a double distribution day. Right now they're right smack in the middle of it inside the single prints. So we'll see if they hold, and then more importantly, see if they stay out of the lower distribution. Today's going to be a day of patience, it looks like. The only trade I really would consider at this point is if in the next 75 minutes we now push up, and where there were buyers yesterday. Now, my price probe is basically A's high. Your ES's was L's high. But anywhere around L's high, because that's where the overnight high is, that would possibly, well, actually, that's not true. My overnight high went higher. So anywhere around A's high for me and overnight high, maybe a short the first time since there were no buyers here yet this morning. The overnight high is 461.90. Overnight low is 459.45. So I would wait most likely for the initial balance, which is our first hour of trading, A and B period, to probably form because, like we said, there's not a lot to lean on in here. Yeah, it was 8 wide, and I'm not going to discount that. But there was no afternoon pullback. There's no single prints. So you can get some major chop in here as they decide to consolidate possibly throughout today. Don't forget, we still have gaps below us in all three of these indices. The only one that would be kind of a clear trade is possibly Russell at E's high once the single prints fill to see if the buyers reject the sellers again at this level to stay out of the lower distribution. So again, today could be a day of patience. And then just quickly on the chart, here's the daily, one time framing up, 4 days now. So we've come a pretty good way just in 4 days alone. We hit some very visual points. See if we get some consolidation today before making a new attempt tomorrow on the last day of the quarter. Again, we do have pretty much a price vacuum to the upside with all those destinations I gave you last night. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Please come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Good luck trading, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.